Welcome to our channel today. We're diving into the simplest and quickest method to activate your Synchrony Lowe's card, so you can start enjoying all its benefits without delay. Welcome to our channel. If you have just received your Synchrony Lowe's card and are wondering how to activate it quickly and hassle-free, you are in the right place. Activating your Synchrony Lowe's card is the key to unlocking special financing options and exclusive deals at Lowe's stores. Let me guide you step by step through the activation process. First, make sure you have your card in hand along with a valid photo ID and your personal information handy, including your social security number, date of birth, and billing address. Having these ready will make the process faster and smoother. Next, you have several options to activate your card. The quickest is online activation by visiting the official Synchrony Financial website. Navigate to the Lowe's card activation page. Enter your card number as it appears on the front of your card, and provide the requested personal details to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to create your online account if you haven't done so yet. This account will allow you to monitor your card activity, make payments, and access monthly statements. Another convenient method is activating your card by phone. Pick up your phone and call the number designated for Lowe's Synchrony card activation, which can be found on the sticker attached to your card or on the accompanying materials. When connected, follow the automated system instructions or speak to a customer service representative if you prefer. Have your card details ready to verify your identity. After successfully completing one of these steps, your Synchrony Lowe's card will be activated and ready for use. It's important to keep your card secure and to monitor your account regularly to avoid any fraudulent activity. Now that your card is ready, you can take full advantage of special financing offers at Lowe's as well as earn rewards on your purchases. Remember, using your card responsibly will help build your credit profile over time. Don't forget to explore the Lowe's app or website for additional savings and promotions exclusive to cardholders. Finally, if you encounter any difficulties while activating your card, don't hesitate to contact Synchrony customer support for assistance. They are there to help ensure your activation experience is smooth and successful. Thank you for watching this step-by-step activation guide, and happy shopping with your new Synchrony Lowe's card. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and financial advice.